In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting your domain to Shopify step by step. First, make sure you're logged into both your Hostinger account and your Shopify admin. In Shopify, look down to the bottom left corner and open settings, then select domains. If your store is new, you'll probably only see the default myshopify.com domain here, and that's totally fine. Click Connect Existing Domain. When prompted for the domain, switch over to Hostinger, find the domain you want to use, and copy it. In Shopify, type www before your domain. If you want the www version, paste the domain and click Next. Shopify will now ask you to update DNS records in Hostinger. This is straightforward. In Hostinger, open Manage for your domain, go to DNS or name servers, and then Manage DNS records. Before adding anything, remove any existing A records and CNAME records related to your root domain or www. You might not have any, but if you do, deleting them prevents conflicts. Now add the two required records. First, create a CNAME record. For the name, enter www. For the target or points to, enter shops.myshopify.com, then save or add the record. Next, create an A record. For the name, enter @ which represents your root domain. For points to, use Shopify's IP address as provided by Shopify's documentation or the instructions you're following. Leave TTL at its default and add the record. You should now see both records listed. The CNAME for www pointing to shops.myshopify.com, and the A record for @ pointing to the Shopify IP. Head back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. If everything is set correctly, Shopify will recognize your domain. DNS changes can take time to propagate, so if it doesn't verify immediately, give it a little while and try again. Once it's recognized, click on your new domain in Shopify, choose Change Domain Type, and set it as your primary domain. Making it primary ensures visitors see your store on your custom domain, and Shopify will handle redirects between the root and www versions for a consistent experience. Finally, test it. Copy your domain, open a new incognito or private browsing window. To avoid cached results, paste the domain and press enter. You should land on your Shopify storefront. If your store has a password page enabled, that's normal. You're just confirming the domain points to your shop. That's it. You logged in, connected the domain in Shopify, updated DNS in Hostinger, verified the connection, set it as primary, and tested it. If you run into issues, double check that there are no extra A or CNAME records and that the values match exactly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your domain connected smoothly.